stick vac made by Electrolux, huh? You've got a better work. I'm sure it does work and everything. Thing. Ugh, it's disgusting, filthy. There's no numbers or anything on here. It just says Electrolux, which is not good enough. The labels are well. It doesn't gently. Vacuum it up. What happened? Fix it. It's gonna suck up this rock and everything. Up. Look at that, and he's cleaning. This fancy metal just falls right off of this. This thing. That's just so moving and totally not dangerous with live wires everywhere. What's this do? It said start. Click the button, start. What if I accidentally do this? What? It's not doing anything. It should be vacuuming up the floor. Come on, vacuum it up now. What the thing just falls right off of this. Seeing this? Go. This thing. Stick. No, it is a stick. Up in here. Sit there. This thing. Brush. Falls right off. I'm trying to vacuum the carpet. And it just falls right off like that. How safe. Just suck up AWA TV. Fine. Oh, look at this thing. It's just like a best drain pipe or something coming out of it. Get over there and start vacuuming up the floor. What happened now? What's happening? It's smashing. On. Come with no battery or anything. Here, look at this plastic. It's so cheap. Oh, wow. I'm sure it really has got the power in this motor. Certainly not a cheap Chinese motor. Yes. Something go. It'll work anyway. Look at this. You call this a vacuum motor? No wonder it doesn't have the power to suck anything out. It's just that cheap. It doesn't even cheap and brittle. It doesn't even work. It stinks. Thanks a lot, Electrolux. Making this plastic stink. Oh. Come on, Electrolux. Big motor. It's totally as big as every other motor. Totally. What's the casing for? Yes. This. What's this for, huh? This was something important. Why is this thing just so disgusting inside? This hose. Where's this thing rubbish meant to go? Just gets sucked in through here and just goes out and throws back on the floor, so you have to rewash it again. Come on, stick. Looks like a stick insect. Come on, stick insect by Electrolux. Sit up. Power on. Come on, power on. It's just looks like it's gonna work. Oh, I'm sure those buttons in there are so important. Totally not useless at all. They have no purpose. It's in there. Stick paddle with a stick. What is this thing? Right, in half. Snapping. Electrolux. Cheap quality.